Snooze button, snooze button.
Oh, yeah, my fingers are puffy, my feet are puffy, my eyes are puffy.
Jessie and Mel won the safe.
Jessie and Mel. Yep. Not Matt and Elise.
Y'all need to keep red bottoms, girl.
Even he knows it.
Brussels sprout.
But then when you put really strong colours against it, so that is really strong colours against it.
You look a bit lost, mate. Just standing there all by yourself, just holding a sheet of corrugated.
You can go out and choose stuff that you like. And
Done.
Oh, what was I miss? Bloody Mitchell! I have to watch my... He's probably gonna take my husband in a minute. I've already got Paul on the way. I jumped in the bins to see if I could scavenge any tiles or those broken ones out of the bin. It was a brilliant moment in time.
Oh, my God. What are you planning?
Nothing.
Something.
Hello. It's a surprise.
No, I don't want a surprise.
Thank you, darling. You've got work to
I
do.
just
Bye.
listened to
I'm
what
doing...
you said about a head on a wall. Love, I don't want a head on a wall.
OK, darling. Your head will go through a wall if you don't get out there and work.
I'll have this then.
Oh, no, give me that.
Nah.
That's a squat. That's a squat.
Darling, I love you and I love Scotty.
Not as much as you.
What about time you saved my life? What do I have to deal with?
What did you forget
I tried out the smart toilet. I have to readjust myself. I think I can still feel it. I feel refreshed.
Oh, boo, bazooka! You want a Milky Way that's been melting in my pocket? You! I'll eat it. I'll eat it.
Even though it sounds so delicious.
Oh, have a look at it. It looks delicious too.
It's like a giant turd.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this.
You cannot touch it.
Now I'm stuck. Now you're gonna pull me out. Where's my muffin?
You got me.
Stud muffin.
We got stuck in a lift last night. It's funny now. It wasn't funny last night, I'm telling you that much.
It was a little funny.
Mirror, mirror on the wall. How am I going to get through this block with no money at all?
Win some room.
What did you say? Let's go, WA. Boom. Oh, that was a bit too high. I didn't stretch for that one. Don't want... Oh!
Here he is. There's something different, Matty. What is it? White House?
Oh, mate, is it the Tash? You seen it? Can you see it, Keithy?
It is. That's what it is.
I'm a bit more sophisticated, aren't I? What Elise doesn't understand is the respect has come.
Oh, God.
After the visit from the Challenge kids, everybody's looking up. Matt's got his mo. Joe?
Why didn't I think of that? What a wonderful idea.
Compliance.
Matt, are we the best house in the block?
I couldn't agree more.
I like this.
I know.
How good's this?
I think your wife would like one.
Fairy rug on the road. It's beautiful.
You used to a fairy rug, are you?
So there's... That sounds done.
$40,000 more. I need to win a challenge.
Lisa's returned from a day of shopping with her additional chair options.
Hard. Everything's too hard. Just need a little bit of love. Thanks, Dal. Oh! I know everyone needs a pet name, right?
Really scaffold.
Yours is Dickhead. Oh,
That's
not funny.
You're a good neighbour.
Only because I want something.
When a girl walks in and an itty bitty waist and a round thing, ow.
That was definitely not the first time you've been in heels.
No, it isn't, to be honest, it isn't.
Dalton works for the A2 Milk Company.
I knew a tall glass of milk, though. Oh, my God. I'm better go put a bra on if I'm going to be running up and down stairs then.
Is this a power lead? Which end goes into the... Which end goes in? Oh, whoops, sorry.
Oh. Generally, the first thing you got to plug it in.
We didn't kill each other. Yay!
Oh, you're my best friend.
Fluffy koala.
Wow, we. Bonjour, Shopha. See, the prince.
Wow, I'm pretty sure that was Chinese or Japanese in there.
And as I've just found out, my wife follows him on Instagram. She doesn't even follow me.
You might want to ask her why, Matt. Oh, never mind.
Jesus!
He's going to give us 2 out. Keith,
What did you say?
didn't realise he was a plumber.
You want to ask me a few questions?
Won't have that happening. Have you met Tom and Jerry before? They're here, and I can help you.
Tom and Jerry? Isn't that a pussycat and a mouse? Oh, Lucy's a... Tom and Jerry.
We have kids. I watch a lot of kids' shows.
Let's go party! Let's party! Yes, what? You're sleeping in the spare room, Elise. Elise can have a sleep in one of the other rooms, and I've got the girls, my tools. They're going to sleep with me in my room, so make sure they don't get away again.
Oh, honey. Are you kidding me?
No way, you're gone. Oh, you're all right. Get some rest, girls. You're going to get a bit of work later.
You left dirt on the bed.
No, we didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, no. I probably said things that I'll regret. Elise probably said things she'll regret.
Not really.
I thought I was waiting. Paulie! Is he there? Paulie!
Have a hand coming around the corner. Then we put blue board on that colorbond wall there, and then we have a painting of you, and you're touching your fingers around the corner of the fireplace, you know?
Oh, no!
Just a knee over, like this.